So today we're gonna be doing a giveaway from the last video entry. And to enter in this giveaway, you had to comment Beetlejuice in the comment section. I've written everyone's name down and put a number by it so I can use the random number generator to select the winner. Can I get a drum roll, please? The winner is Chanel Amaria. So you can contact me on Instagram to get your gift card information. If you did not win this time, it's okay. You got another chance to win next week on Wednesday when I drop my next video. And also, I would like to add, when I get to 1,000 subs, I'm gonna do a giveaway for $100. Probably do it in a Cashapp or a gift card. I don't know yet, but that's what I'm gonna do. So subscribe, like, comment, and turn the bell on.